One bride looking to be the center of attention has come all the way from Georgia in search of a sexy diva dress.
My name is Yvonna Gail Logan, and I am here today to find my wedding dress.
Coming from Douglasville, Georgia?
Yes, Douglasville, ATL. I bought my two best friends, Kelby and Tiffany. My friends think I should go the more traditional route as far as wedding dress goes.
Giovanna?
Yes,
Hi, I'm
how are you?
Antonella.
Good to
Welcome to Kleinfeld. Congratulations. You ready?
Yes,
Come
I'm
on
ready.
in.
I'm all about sexy and showing skin, and the dress that I've envisioned all my life has a swoop back. It goes to like your butt crack. Like I want almost the crack, but not quite the crack.
She has a great back and she also has a great butt. So I feel like that's what she wants to accentuate on her wedding day because that's where she feels the most sexy.
Tell me a little bit about the wedding.
Okay, well, it's gonna be a beachfront wedding. My wedding location will be Miami.
What budget are we in?
Our budget is no more than $10,000. My fiance's paying for it. My fiance's name is Rick. We met 3.5 years ago. I feel like I'm on cloud 9 with him. I could tell him anything. He is truly my best friend.
What do you think he wants to see you in?
He doesn't want to see a lot of skin. Like, I don't
No
think... No, because he thinks that's a day where I'm supposed to, you know, be classy, and he thinks that's a little trashy. Because he was like, who you marrying? Everybody else at the wedding? You marry me, right? And I'm like, yeah, but I mean, I still want to do my thing.
She wants to show the booty.
Okay.
Yes. Booty has to show.
Okay. I've never had a bride that said to me that she wants to show the crack of her butt. So I'm gonna show her something that she's gonna see the crack.
We do have sexy dresses with low backs, but for brides that want to show like a lot of skin, I would say that's the honeymoon.
I gotta pull my panties down. I love this. This is my crack dress. Yep. Mm-hmm. This is who Yvonna is.
That's it.
This is Yvonna, and they know this is Yvonna.
Yeah.
They know this. Look at that. This is Yvonna, okay?
That is definitely Yvonna.
I love everything about this dress. This entire back right here that's open, down to the crack, is exactly what I asked for. Can't tell me that ain't sexy. You know you love that. It looked perfect. I mean, it's exactly to the T what I wanted.
It doesn't do it for me. That? No.
You're taking away all that elegance for crack?
Why you gotta make it sound like we're talking about drugs?
Because it is a drug. Your drug of wanting your booty out is a drug.
Yvonna's next pick is a sexy corseted panina gown that leaves nothing to the imagination.
I like this.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Talking about. How do you feel?
I love it.
I like it.
I like the corset feel. I like the fact that this is showing my skin through this. It's sexy.
I mean, the only thing you don't get is you don't get no booty.
None.
You can't have too much going on. There's different
Yeah,
interests in different dress.
Exactly.
So what you think?
I like it.
You like it. You just like it.
Why are you?
I just don't like that it doesn't come down low enough to show my butt. Look at this. I really, 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 really like this. This one made me cry. I love the neck. This makes it sophisticated, regal. I love the back. I mean, this is what I want.
Definitely is something I could see you in, and you definitely are regal.
But y'all not feeling it, though. Y'all don't like this?
I plead the fifth.
No, you need to plead something. You can't plead the fifth sitting there.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I mean, it's a beautiful dress, but I don't like it on her. She really liked that dress, but I didn't like it. I couldn't lie to her, but I wanted to like it for her because she loved it so much. It's too much. I can't look at your face or your beauty. I'm either looking at your neck, or I'm looking at the bows, or I'm looking at your crack. You want people to look at the beauty of you.
At your beauty and not your booty.
Friends certainly don't want her to show her butt crack, and it was getting a little tense.
I feel like we shot your dream down.
You did. But you guys have to sleep with that at night, not me.
But I'm not gonna lie and tell you I love it.
All right, fine.
I like it, but I don't love it.
She's mad.
Damn, this dress is hot.
Ooh.
Ladies, we are in love.
Oh my God, yo, that is so pretty.
Blinged out. Crack. What could you not like about this dress?
Done.
Done? Bye?
No, not done by.
No, listen, she has something to tell you.
Uh-oh.
I'm getting 2 dresses. I feel like it's too casual up here for me to walk down the island, but it's not too casual for me to reception in.
Okay.
It's just like she takes us on a loop because this is what you said you wanted and you have it. Now you say you want 2 dresses. So it's just crazy.
It's so beautiful, it could be your gown
Okay, well,
that everyone sees
I'm glad
you
that you
in.
think it's so beautiful enough to be a reception dress. Thank you.
Okay, we don't need the attitude. We really don't.
Okay.
We'll just be quiet. We won't even give our opinion.
What, are you guys getting attitude because I'm
You
saying
just
that
got
this...
us. You just got one with us.
Whatever.
Every now and then, Yvonne is the B word. And she's stubborn, she's mean, she's rude, and then it gets to a point where it just gets out of control. Remember here, we're your friends.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Do you like this dress? That's all I need to know. Do you guys like this dress?
freaking
Okay.
dress.
That's all I want to know.
All right.
Thank you.
So are you saying yes to dress number 2?
I am saying yes to dress number 2. So, why are you scratching your head like that?
This is too much for me to handle.
I don't care. I love this, and this is what I want.
Yes to this one.
Yes to this one.
I'm so pooped I can't even be like, yay.
Now she wants 2 dresses. So she wants something that's a little bit more traditional for her wedding. So I'm gonna certainly pull something that's a little bit more traditional and make her feel like a bride and not a sex bomb.
Ooh, and ooh. This is a wedding dress.
This is stunning.
Yes.
I agree.
I know.
I like that.
I'm about to cry. It took my breath away. I feel like a bride in that dress.
That's gorgeous.
Girl, Beyonce ain't got nothing on you.
That's right. That's for sure. So are you saying yes to this dress?
I'm saying yes to this dress.
Congratulations.
Yay, finally. Yes, this is good. You look like you're worn out, like y'all was up here trying on the dresses.
Baby, you are on an emotional roller coaster, and I am worn out emotionally.
Great.
Yovanna said yes to 2 dresses that take her over her $10,000 budget.
The 2 dresses together total $12,000. I went a little bit over the budget that my fiance gave me.
So Yovanna is forced to call her fiance Rick for budget approval.
Hi, baby. Alrighty, so I decided I want 2 dresses, and we're a little bit over the budget. He wasn't happy with the price that I gave him. All right, so you're basically telling me I can't get both for $11,000. You're telling me no? And he said, I thought we were only doing 1 dress. And he's like, he was never prepared to buy no 2 dresses. I only told him 1, so I need to get 1.
He's being practical, Gail, and you should too.
She's having a very hard time right now because she has to decide between the 2 dresses. I didn't want her to make the wrong decision, so I certainly told her to not make a decision and come back with him.
Yovanna returned the next day with her fiance, who rejected the cracked dress in favor of the more modest $6,200 Lazaro gown.
I feel like a bride in that dress.